Welcome to Photio Studio for product photos. Today, let's try using Photio to modify or remove parts of the photo. Log in and click the Editor tab on the dashboard to access the editor. You can also click the Erase/Replace button in the center of the screen. Click the Background tab on the left to upload the image you want to modify. Think of Asset for the product and Background for the background image. Click Erase/Replace on the left, then color over the area to remove it. To erase, click Generate without any prompt. It's cleanly erased. Go back, color the part you want to change, and enter the prompt. You'll see the change according to the prompt. Make the image sharper by selecting either 2x or 4x under the Sharp Image tab on the left. This will provide a sharper photo. Resize the image by clicking the Resize tab on the left and adjusting it to fit the specifications of where you'll use it. Various sizes for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, etc. are available. To make the product and background look more natural, click on either, then adjust brightness or color in the Adjust section. Ready to download? Select the format, choose watermark preference, and then download the photo. If you enter a prompt while in erase mode, it will not affect the image. Let's color over the spoon and enter no spoon. To erase a part of the image, simply click the Generate button without entering a prompt. This will result in a clean erase. Get all the product photos you want from Photio.